Video DXGKRNL FATAL ERROR, often displayed as a blue screen error in Windows, typically occurs due to issues related to the DirectX Graphics Kernel subsystem. Several reasons could trigger this error, like outdated, incompatible, or corrupted graphics drivers, can lead to conflicts with the DirectX Graphics Kernel, resulting in the Video DXGKRNL FATAL ERRor. To address these issues, you can try the following solutions.
First, open your Start menu. Type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your display adapter and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Select Update Drivers. Select Search automatically for drivers. You can also click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Now click on Search for updates.
First, Google GeForce Experience. Click on GeForce Experience. Press Download now. Save the file. Run the file. Press Yes. Now install the program. If you already have GeForce Experience installed,
Click on Drivers. Press the check for updates. Now click on Download to get the latest drivers. Wait for the drivers to be downloaded. Now press the Express Installation button. Now wait for GeForce Experience to install the latest drivers.
now wait for the drivers to be installed. First, Google Intel Driver Support Assistant. Open the first link. Press Download now. Download the tool. Double-click the installer. Agree with the terms and press Install. Wait for the assistant to be installed. Press Launch to open the assistant. In Graphics, you'll be able to update your drivers.